Welcome back. Well, I have installed a Dellorto SHA clone carburetor to see how it's going to run with that. So I fabricated my own exhaust bracket. Can't really see it from this side. Tell you what, we'll pop over the other side and take a look. Ow. Let's see here. You can kind of get an idea. Anyways, I wanted to keep the rear fender because, I mean, this probably provides a little support. I could run without it, but you know, that provides the main support for the exhaust. But whatever, you know, I'm kind of a rear fender guy. So hopefully I've got it jetted pretty close so we can give it a test.